Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the bubble tea backpack. This highly sought-after accessory is a favorite among many Roblox players. However, it is important to know that this particular item is currently marked as off sale, meaning it cannot be directly purchased or earned through typical in-game methods at this time. Historically, items like the bubble tea backpack were often released as part of special events or limited-time promotions within Roblox. Players would complete specific quests, participate in challenges, or sometimes claim them as free rewards. These unique accessories are usually available for a short period, making them quite exclusive once their availability window closes. While the original bubble tea backpack may be off sale, you can still find many fantastic alternatives. Head over to the Roblox avatar shop and use keywords like bubble tea, drink backpack, or kawaii backpack to discover similar user-generated content. Many creative designers frequently release new and exciting accessories that capture a similar aesthetic, offering you plenty of choices. To stay updated on potential re-releases or new, similar items, make sure to follow official Roblox announcements on their social media platforms. Also, consider joining groups of user-generated content creators who specialize in accessories. Regularly browsing the avatar shop will help you discover fresh, stylish items as soon as they become available, ensuring you never miss out on a cool new look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.